spectacular, colorful, fantabulous শুভ নববর্ষ 1433. A year gone and a new year comes. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Friendly English. In the name of Almighty Allah, and with a great hope and prayer to Almighty Allah that the new Bangla year will be a great year for all of us. It will be a year of prosperity, peace, and happiness. So welcome you all to Friendly English from the premises of Birshreshtha Munshi Abdur Public College. Today, the first day of Bangla New Year, 1433. So I wish you Happy New Year, Shubho Noboborsho. Throughout the day, I'll be updating you about the celebrations of first day of Bangla New Year from the premises of Birshreshtha Munshi Abdur Public College. Students, teachers, wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. They're gathering and standing together to start a rally, a procession, Ananda rally, a joyful procession to celebrate Pohela Boishakh 1433. Now, I'm showing you the procession of Birshreshtha Munshi Abdur Public College. Here the students are gathering. This procession will be led by the Honorable Principal of Birshreshtha Munshi Abdur Public College. The Vice Principal, Assistant Headmaster, and the teachers and students of Birshreshtha Munshi Abdur Public College are going to participate in this rally with joyful, vibrant mood. Now, the students are taking time to prepare themselves. They're holding placards and banners. These placards are showing the traditional objects of our country. One of the placards is presenting an intricate floral design. Other placards are also showing earthen pots, earthen utensils, or bamboo-made utensils. This is a huge procession, as you can see. As the procession begins, the students are marching together. The Honorable Principal of Birshreshtha Munshi Abdur Public College, Lieutenant Colonel Abdul Jawad, is leading the procession from the front. The young learners are also in the lead. As we said, they're holding placards and wearing traditional dress. Some of the students are noticeably wearing some conical hats or bamboo hats that the farmers of our country usually wear when they work under the burning sun. Under this morning sun, it's a spectacular sight to enjoy. It's a colorful, festive mood here. They're walking in queues in the procession. Now, it's really a wonderful sight to view. The little learners are now taking the lead of the procession. They're having winnowing baskets in their hands. Let's view them closely. And the winnowing baskets in their hands read, Shubho Noboborsho 1433. This gathering is a reminder to us of our culture, legacy, and tradition. Let's not forget our roots and our values in the midst of the cultural aggression and hegemony that's spreading like wildfire around the world. And on this very first day, we can pray to Almighty Allah. We should pray to Almighty Allah, please save us from all sorts of evil and destruction, and give us knowledge, power, and peace.